Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in Teams. So to change your profile picture, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, click your profile picture again in the account pane. So click on this camera icon. Now in here, so you can see or you can view your profile picture from here. You can click remove to remove your profile picture, or you can click upload. So select upload image and change your profile. Then click save, and that's it. You can refresh the page or close Microsoft Teams, then reopen it, and the changes will be applied. Now, if you can see the option to change your photo, it's likely that your organization's IT administrator has disabled profile photo changes. So, in that case, you'll need to contact your IT help desk. So, again, open Microsoft and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner and just click your profile picture. Then, click this camera icon. Then, click upload. So once you click upload, choose the image you want to use, then click open and click save after, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.